The magic school bus takes a moonwalk. Ms. Frizzle is not like most teachers. Her dresses are different, her shoes are different. Ms. Frizzle is teaching us about the moon. We are going on a trip so we can see the moon at night. Mr. Cox is coming too. He's Phoebe's dad. We're going to a farm. We will go on a hayride. When we get to the farm, no one is there. The sky is full of clouds. We can't even see the moon. We all get back on the bus. Ms. Frizzle turns the key. She pushes a bright button. Now the bus goes above the clouds. It goes to outer space. We can see Earth behind us. We can see the moon in front of us. We wonder what Phoebe's dad will think. We all look at Mr. Cox. He doesn't know what to think. We land on the moon. The Frizz gives us air tanks and space suits. We step off the bus. Mr. Cox looks around. We feel light. We jump really high. We jump much higher than on Earth. He says, "We are lighter than the moon." And she says, "That's because the moon has less gravity than Earth." Then we see a flag. We see footprints. They show that astronauts were here. On the moon, we see a lot of rocks. Most are small, but Mr. Cox climbs a big one. We are not looking at Mr. Cox. We are looking at moon rocks. Mr. Cox goes away. Oh no, Mr. Cox is gone. Ms. Frizzle says, "Get on the bus." The bus turns into a moon buggy. We start to drive. It looks dark in the distance. Ms. Frizzle says it is night on that side of the moon. When we hear a sound, someone is singing. The sound is coming from a crater. We throw a rope to Mr. Cox. It is a very long rope. "Pull," Phoebe yells to us. We get on the rocket ship. It is now time to get back to Earth. "Blast off," yells Ms. Frizzle. When we reach the land, the bus becomes a wagon. We all sing on the hayride. The moon is bright in the sky. We are almost back to school. The bus is back to being a bus again. Our parents are waiting for us. We are happy to be home now. Who knows what will happen tomorrow? More facts about the moon. The Earth is 4 times bigger than the moon. It takes about 1 month for the moon to go around the Earth. It takes Earth 1 year to go around the sun. Neil Armstrong's moonwalk was on July 21st, 1969. Other astronauts have also walked on the moon. Because there's no wind or weather on the moon, the astronauts' footprints are still there. They will last for hundreds of years. And here's a joke. Why didn't the cow jump over the sun? She preferred the moon. The end.